Hey, so today I want to talk about perception and how you're viewing your obstacle. You see, an obstacle, you can see it as being something that's in the way of getting to your fitness goal, in the way of losing that 20, 30 pounds, getting fitter, getting stronger, getting better, becoming the best version of yourself. You can see it that way, that it's just in the way. It's like something I got to do, that you have to do. Or you can look at it as something you get to do, something that's gonna make you better, make you stronger, make you grow, make you become the best version of yourself. That change in perception can make all the difference, because as you take your actions, as you take your consistent actions to get to that goal, to achieve that goal, to step into that next version of you, to become stronger, fitter, healthier, to leaner, mentally stronger, physically stronger, everything is going to require a different approach, different actions, different consistent practices, routines, because what you've been doing has gotten you to where you are. In order to get somewhere differently, to achieve something differently, to be someone different, to achieve a different goal, a different outcome, you have to do something differently. All right, so think about that today. Think about what you need to do today, or what you can do today with your perception, how you're seeing your obstacle, and how you can flip that around and see it as an opportunity for you to grow, an opportunity for you to become that next best version of yourself, the lean, strong, fit you that you are inside, that you want to be, so you can show up for your family, for your husband, your wife, your whoever it is, so you can be that best version of you, and most importantly, for yourself, so you can feel proud of who you are, who you've become through this process. That's a great way to look at it as well, is who you're going to become in that process of overcoming that obstacle, that challenge, to get to the next level, to achieve that goal, to be leaner, stronger, and fitter, to become better. You have to become someone different. And that's the main reward that most people don't talk about, is who you become in the process, who you become when you're going through the challenges. And when you finally achieve that goal, when you get it done, how you can celebrate and look back and say, you know what? I'm proud of myself. You can be proud of yourself for doing that. All right, so think about that today. Let that shift your perspective from, I have to do this obstacle, it's in the way to get to my goal, to, you know what? No, I get to do this. It's here for a reason, this challenge, this obstacle, so I can become the next better and best version of me. And then you're gonna be living that best version that you can be proud of every single day, leaner, fitter, stronger, mentally and physically. All right, so have an awesome day. Think about that, put that into play, rewatch this, really think about that. Let me know what you think about this video. Leave your thoughts in the comments. You know, if it resonated with you, can you relate to that? Is there something that I can help you with to get to actually perceive that perspective? And I'll leave you with this excellent book I just finished, is The Obstacle is the Way. I highly recommend that book. Grab that book. It's a short book, quick read. It'll change everything. It'll change your perspective. It'll help you see things how you should see them, as an obstacle that's going to make you better. All right, if you like this, let me know. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, so you get my latest and greatest videos. And if you haven't checked out my kettlebell stuff, go check that out. I make that for you, so you can learn how to train with kettlebells, and you can make that change and do that consistent actions to become better physically. And with the kettlebell, it's going to challenge you mentally as well. So anyway, grab that video, or check that video here. Have an awesome day. See you in the next video.